Good evening, everyone. This is JD again with the basics of paranormal investigations. The Randonautica app has taken the world by storm. The idea of this app taking people to places that fit their biggest dreams and interests has proven to be true for some people. However, there have been some instances of the app creating a shady look for the app. In this video, I'm going to explain what the app is, how to use it, show some of the previous instances that are popular on social media, and I'll also explain why it is somewhat shady. Before I get started, thanks for everyone following me on social media. I have 800 followers currently on Instagram. I'm looking forward to informing the masses about this application and plenty of other aspects of paranormal investigation. Also, I've been working on my website that is supposed to be another way to learn about the paranormal. You can check it out by using the link that's supplied below. In addition, I have created a few products on TEESPRING, with the stickers being my favorite. Now let's talk about the Randonautica app. According to the official website of the Randonautica app puts the user in the director's chair of an adventure story yet to be written. By using the app, the user can break from their mundane day-to-day and take a journey of randomness into the world around them. So for most users, the app just gives them an adventure in their local area, most of the times in hopes of finding something that they are thinking about. In our case, the app allows us to find haunted, abandoned, or scary locations or objects. All of the top paranormal YouTube personalities have posted videos featuring this application and their findings that they got using it. So that is what the app is about. Now let's look at how people use it. The application is fairly easy to use and can be found on all app stores. First, you must download the app from an app store. Then once you open the app, it will start with the Randonaut, which looks like a map search. To use this section of the application, you click on Randonaut at the bottom. Then a menu pops up asking to choose a quantum point type. There are 4 options: anomaly, attractor, void, and pseudo. They are generated by using a quantum randomizer to generate coordinates for a location to visit. An attractor is believed to be a location that is generated by a high concentration of points, which supposedly is the most appropriate result for the person. A void is supposed to be the opposite, but it still returns what the user was interested in. An anomaly is believed to be a number derived directly by people's thoughts. The user was thoughts, and supposedly results in the best results of all 3 options. Pseudos will generate one of the other 3 without users' intentions, or at least that's how it appears to work. The application also has another mode called the WEBBOT, which looks like a chat but offers more Randonautica options. First, you have to send the app your location. It will respond asking what you would like to get. You have the previous options of anomaly, attractor, or void. Then there is an additional option called blind spots and more. Once you click on that option, quantum intent, ideas, mystery points, pair of points, quantum time, pseudo, scan, and chains, and quantum dice shows up. This I don't have a lot of information about. Pseudo was previously talked about, and it again generates one of the other 3 without users' intentions, or at least that is how it appears to work. The other types of blind spots and more have not been studied thoroughly. This chat offers 10 search results per day, and after one day it'll start again, 10 options. The 10 options, that's what that'll offer. So why does Randonautica seem shady? So one of the videos I was watching from a YouTuber, they were told to go to this location, and it turned out to be a cardboard box saying this is the end when they were looking for 2020. That is very ironic. It definitely feels like it. But the idea is, why would the map location be cardboard? Why would the cardboard be laid out? And why would it be fitting to what he was thinking about? Also, cardboard deteriorates very fast, so this could have just been put out by somebody in order to get them to go there. Another instance was the famous case, a TikTok user by the name of McKenna Ray had found 2 dead bodies. She shared this video recounting her experience, and I will show it.
So I just went randonauting. Our intention was death. We were on our way to the spot, and I look out my window, and there's someone laying in the gutter with their wife literally, like, on them, holding them. And so I parked and got out, and he got shot. And then she gave me that phone, and I had to call the cops. And Darius he wrapped his jacket around the wound. And then the cops came, and we got questioned, and I said to leave. And I just dropped her and Darius off.
So what do you think of the Randonautica app? Does it seem shady? Does it seem like it's giving you the right results? Is it not giving you the right results? You can comment all this below at the video where there's the comment section. Also, I was thinking of doing a giveaway if 1,000 people followed me on Instagram. I'm almost close. I've got 864 followers. I'm not sure what I'm going to give away yet, but you might want to go to Twitter. I might also post it on Instagram. Is there another type of video you'd like me to do about something that's similar to the Randonautica app? You can also comment that below. Feel free to reach out to me on Instagram or Twitter. Either way, I'm very open and I easily can talk with you. Like, share, and subscribe if you have not. Make sure to hit the bell icon so when I make new videos you can find it easily. Tell your friends that I'm making these videos. And hopefully you like this video. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next week, but it's going to help somebody. That's the entire reason that I'm doing this YouTube series, so I can help people understand the different parts of paranormal, the apps, the tools, the theory behind paranormal. It's all wrapped up into these videos. So see you next week.